The Mandalorian is your iconically cool, flawed, mysterious loner.
And his job is hunting down beings and turning them in. The pilot slowly chips away at that idea, especially when he meets the Ugnaught. This little being is suddenly helping him and then challenging him.
The show, to me, in the most basic storyline, is about a man discovering something about himself that he had never known.
And realizing that the search wasn't out there, the search was in here.
He's relatable. We're all kind of covered in our own armor, you know, and terrified of taking that armor off.
I think Star Wars is such a part of people's lives.
It was beyond being groundbreaking, Star Wars was. It was pretty phenomenal. Not only what it was at the time, but what it has become.
This new technology brings filmmaking back where it has been and where it should be. This is fantastic. Filmmaking back where it should be.